Welcome people to Alien TV. You know me I say, like and subscribe if you like. It'd be greatly appreciated. You know what I mean? Now as you can see on the screen is a picture of the Jamaica National Bank and the topic "Nowhere is safe in Jamaica." So I say like, what do you mean by that? Well, this morning in Westmoreland about 11:30 to 11:45, gunman ran into one of the branches of the Jamaica National Bank in Westmoreland and made off with what do you call a illegal a illegal withdrawal of $3.2 million. You know what I mean? The only thing that's good about this that no one was really killed in the process, even though the security was injured and he was relieved of his firearm during the process of the robbery. The gunman even made their escape in a stolen taxi. So you know what I mean, this is Jamaica, you know what I mean, 2020. Can imagine what 2020 and beyond are gonna look like after that. You know what I say? Yeah, because it's a mad thing. It's real. Don't just give thanks to nobody in the bank not die and them thing they dead, you know, because I'm mostly ladies and females working at bank, so I give thanks on that, you know me I say. And right now you're not safe in Jamaica. No, you're safe. Not even the money is safe in the bank. Just imagine right now, I don't know if it's desperate times and it calls for desperate measures, and right now the shot of them or the queen of them or the gangster them a step up them thing and say them stop rob 9 to 5 people and go rob Mr. Chin and start rob the bank where the money is really at. I don't know if that's the scenario, because you know Jamaicans are full of copycat or not really copycat, like whatever go on one era, another era go try top it or top. When I say top it, I mean like do the same thing but do even worse, you know what I mean, or way above. So right now maybe bank robbery is gonna be the norm, maybe in 2021, you know. I don't know. Man, them step in the bank and they made away with $3.2 million. Now if you have a shot on the street, that's a nice amount of money. But if you do not know what you're doing, you will get caught up. Because I know somebody's gonna leak and inform if the money is not split properly. If it's more than one people who went on that works, as they call it, or the apps, you know what I mean? And that will cause a confrontation. You see people dying over money. And then everything will blow up and the police will get a hint of who did it, you know what I mean? So I also hope them share the money properly. And them don't fight them one another and kill the money they over it. I know I can do anything, you know. It don't happen already. I'm just reporting about it, you know what I mean? So me just that me I try advise them, because if the police get hold of them and know the police gonna deal with them brutally, you know what I mean? The only kudos they might get is that they never really killed anyone in that robbery and they went to a bank. I mean, know Jamaican people them stay. Once you not rob certain people and you go to the bank or a certain thing and them thing that them not and I like them co-sign it, you know, but them kinda look and say, okay, you're brave. I bank you go rob. And that them watching a movie. So I guess what them watching at the movie them are emulated right now. So them $3.2 million escape with the security firearm in a stolen vehicle. You get me a deal with? Some James Bond thing, the man them depend, some Van Damme thing, some Brandon Lee. You get me a deal with? Anyway, people, just like and subscribe to my channel if you like to, you know what I mean? You can leave a comment, you know? And just be safe out there when you're going in and coming out and all them things. Just remember for me say a prayer to Jah for yourself and for your family and loved ones, you know? Because the world just stay away, black people. The world stay away, you know? So let's give thanks and just, you know, stay safe out there. Yes, I.